So now let's try for the medium level. I won't go with the high level because it's really very difficult to crack, but let's try the medium level security. So now we are currently in the medium level security. So let's try accesses reflected again with the medium level. I'll try the same scripts again and see if it works. H1 is working. This particular script is working, right? What about something else? Will this work? This is also working. Now let's see whether the script is working or not. Okay, here's a catch. Now what has happened? Can any one of you tell me? The first two values were working. First two scripts were working. This particular script, alert accesses, is not working. Why? Because we can only see this as a text. It's not alerting something. So what exactly has happened? Can any one of you tell me? Now they are doing something which is actually blocking the scripts. Yes, because plain HTML is working. Hello world is getting displayed. Color is getting displayed. But the script tags are not getting displayed properly. Right. So there might be some change in the source code. Okay, so we'll see that. Click on view source and let's see if there is any change or no or not. Okay, see, there is a change. If I compare this with low one, you will be able to see what is the difference. This is medium, so we are having this right now in front of you. Can you tell me what has happened? The script tag has been replaced and it is being replaced with a space, blank. If you see this script, and we are using this function string replace, so we are replacing that script with a space and then passing the variable. Basically we are taking the variable from the user. In that variable we are trying to find out whether there is any script tag present, and if there is any script tag we are going to replace that with a space or blank, and that is what exactly it is doing. Again, see and submit. So if you see, there is a space in between. It is replacing that with a space. Is it clear? But how to bypass it then? Because our next command also is having a script. So if this script tag is being replaced with a space, I won't be able to copy the cookie values. How to do it then? Any answers? See, first of all, try to understand what is it that is getting blocked. The script tag is getting blocked and it is being replaced with a space or some blank symbol. We have to think of a bypass mechanism. It is very simple. Just have a look. What if I do something like this? Done. What exactly we did? Can any one of you tell me what exactly? We have used something called as camel casing. That is upper lower cases. So as you saw the script tag, as you saw the source code was not considering the script in both the cases, upper or lower. It is simply considering script like this. So wherever a script tag is present, it is replacing that script tag with a space. But what if I use a camel casing, that is case sensitive? So in that case, small c, small s, capital C, and so on. So I have written something like this, and I have tried to bypass the text engine, right? So that is what is happening over here. And if I do the same thing with document.cookie, I will be able to do that same thing, and I would be able to bypass it. So in short, there might be vulnerabilities present in your system. It's your task of trying to find out what kind of vulnerabilities are there, and if the vulnerabilities are there, you have to find out a way to block those vulnerabilities or exploit those vulnerabilities. Depends on who you are. If you're an attacker, you will try to exploit it. If you are a security analyst or security assessor, you would be trying to block that, right? So let's see the third level of security. I won't be performing attacks on this. This is for homework, but you will try, at least try different combinations. You will try this. Let's see if I try the same thing with a script. It's not working. What is happening over here? It is taking the text as it is. It is not even replacing script with a blank. or script with a space. It is taking the text as it is. So if I take something like this, if I write something like this, let's see how it reacts. Again, this is also not working. In the previous case, at least this was working. The font used to be displayed in blue color. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's see the simplest one. Obviously it is also not working. So it is converting every HTML statement into a text. So this is going to make my life very difficult, because now I won't be able to fire this. Let's try this camel casing thing. Okay, let's copy it correctly. See, it's not working. So what to do next? Let's see the code and what exactly it is doing. See, it is using a special function called HTML special characters. And what is it doing exactly? Whatever special characters are there, it is replacing that. So it is taking the input from the user, and whatever is displayed, it converts that into symbols or text. So if I write script, that script will be displayed as script only. It will not be taken as any HTML character and encoded or decoded. It will take that string as it is. It will check whether it's an HTML keyword or not. If it is an HTML keyword, it will simply display that without running that particular code in the background. So in simple words, if I write script, if I write body, if I write form, any HTML tag if I write, it will detect whether it's HTML or not, and it will not allow it to be run as a piece of code. It will be only allowed to run as a text. So as a result, it is nearly very difficult or virtually impossible to attack such a system. At this moment, I am only focusing on low and medium. So I hope you got the understanding of how cross-site scripting in the reflected mode is carried out.